Today, we will walk you through the CS-Cart Low Stock Notification add-on. This add-on automatically alerts your team when product quantities drop below a set limit, helping you prevent stockouts, restock on time, and keep your customers happy. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, log into the admin panel. Then click on the add-on section, then go to Developer, and then navigate to Webkul Software Private Limited and click on it. Here, you will find two add-ons. One is Stock Notification, and the second is Queue Handler. You need to install both add-on in your system. After installing, click on the Stock Notification add-on. Then go to Settings. First, enable mail notifications so that notifications are triggered via email. Click on Add Vendors to add vendor details. Notifications will be sent to both admin and the vendor when the product quantity goes below the consumption value. Next, go to Custom Email ID and enter the email address where you want to receive the low stock notifications. Enable the SMS notification checkbox. Again, add vendors and enter the custom contact number where SMS notifications should be sent. Now move on to the WhatsApp tab. Click the WhatsApp notification checkbox and add vendors or admin as per your choice. Then go to Custom Contact and enter the custom contact number to receive SMS notifications from the admin and vendor. Next, go to the Email Templating section. Here you'll find a user guide to help you format the email template. You can see the mailing layout and the default mail text. When the stock is low, this email template will be sent to both the admin and the vendor. Now navigate to the SMS settings section. There is a user guide to help you create an SMS template. Write the template text using the guide. Then select the Choose API. You can use either Clickatell or Twilio. In this case, we are using Twilio. Then enter your Twilio username, ID, password, and test contact number. Then go to the Twilio settings and enter the Twilio number, account SID, and authentication token. Next, configure the WhatsApp settings. Click on Templates, then go to WhatsApp Message Template. This is where you define the WhatsApp message that will be sent when stock is low. The template will be used to notify both admin and vendor. Fill in the required fields with the correct format for low stock template data. Now, go to API Credentials. Enter the phone number ID, business account ID, and access token and enable the Queue Handler. With the help of the Queue Handler, you can manage background tasks. Click the checkbox to activate it, then click the Save button. Next, go to the Queue Handler section again to set up the configuration. Click on Settings. You can choose between RabbitMQ and a database. In this example, we are using the database option. The item count is used to specify how many messages you want to queue at a time. For example, you can enter 10 and then click the Save button. After saving, go to Products. When a customer places an order and the stock goes below the minimum inventory level, a notification will be triggered. Go to Settings, then go to General, where you will find the low stock notification option. Enter a value like 10. This means that when the stock drops below 10, the system will trigger a notification. Then click Save. Now, click on Product and choose any product. I'm selecting this now and clicking on Preview. This opens the customer panel and storefront. Place the order by clicking on Add to Cart. Then proceed to Checkout and select the phone ordering option. Check the both checkboxes and click on Place Order. The order will be placed successfully. When the stock is low, a notification will be sent to both the admin and the vendor. Finally, you will see the notification sent to Mailtrap and via SMS. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.